fuck going on, guys?
I am
Unfortunately at my job that I still have. But we printed big time tonight. We printed 600 on the 50k account. And we're going to start the screen share. 3, 2, 1. Hell yeah. Alright, let me try and... Fuck, this is gonna be such a... Oh, such a sleepy time. A little sleepy time trade recap. Okay. Sleepy time trade recap, guys. So, we're about to have Powell speak in 3 minutes. We're gonna go over this trade and why I didn't just sell my final TPs here. I meant my final shits there. So I'm just going here so you guys can see the executions, so you can absolutely believe without a doubt that I pulled this miracle off. Let me just show you account summary. $600 today, and this was just under a 3-to-1. It's like a 2.5-to-1 or something like this. Okay, I just want to see what Powell speaking does. So in the meantime, in the next minute, you guys can skip forward. That's the beauty of YouTube, guys. You can skip forward. So you guys do that. And I'm just gonna Okay, being real, I just want you guys to know what I go through as a FIFO worker and day trader. When I'm at work for 2 weeks straight, 12-hour days every day non-stop. Currently working 9:30 in the morning till 9:30 at night in Australia. 10:30 at night is when market opens for New York. So I do a 12-hour shift, straight back to my room, shower, straight on the market, and for the next 3 hours, that's me glazing the markets. We've got 15 seconds till Powell speaks. Just want to see what it does. And that might not sound too bad, and it isn't. But then there's days where here we go. Oh no, it's in 1 hour. I'm an hour ahead. Anyway, there's days where there's no trade, and I've stayed up for 3 hours, and I've got to be up in X amount of hours for another 12-hour shift. Anyway, now that I got my victim mentality rant out of the way, let's go over the bias real quick. F11, so this ain't looking so cringe. We got right here, obviously continuing this ridiculous sell-off we've been having. So we did have a very bearish bias. We can even see right here, this fair value gap got visited, respected, and we are already broken structure here. Okay, same thing here, look, this fair value gap right here. We came in, respected it, and then broke structure to the downside. We're already in a downtrend, so we can't even break structure to the downside here. But anyway, 4 hour bearish. 1 hour, guys, what do you know? Especially right before market open, bearish right here. With this massive move down, we had relative equal lows on ES, with these lows here being very close. And then we had these 4-hour lows from weeks ago. Daily lows, whatever, hourly lows, I can't remember exactly. They just go here. Anyway, both of them bearish. We stay in the oh shit. Okay, yeah. Standing at 1 hour just for a sec because we didn't get our liquidity sweep upon market open, but we got our breaker block entry. So this was the last downward move before we broke structure. And I'm actually just going to show you real quick on NQ. Ooh. Well, on NQ, in the hourly, we touched into, and NQ did way more damage than ES. Like, look how fucking far we dipped down. But on NQ, on the hourly, our high time frame confluence, because we didn't get a liquidity sweep, was this fair value gap here, which we just keep respecting. Upon market open, we come right back into there. Now that you see that, we're going to just quickly show you the whole entry. So my break of structure, here's where it broke structure, but I had entered before because we had an inverse fair value gap after touching into the high time frame confluence. So let's just take it back to this. Inverse fair value gap, come back in, touch it, close out bearish, could have entered right here, stops at the recent high we just made, but I will show you my precision entry. To be fair, I should have entered right here. That would have been a crazy risk to reward, but we won't. We'll do what I did, what I wanted to see anyway. I want you to see 1 minute breaker structure or a solid move downwards, and we got that right here, as you can see. Move down, move up, move down, move up. We closed below both of those. I opened a sell order for 4 micros, and I should have did 5 because I'm sure that's the max I'm allowed to trade. Up here should be 230. Yeah. And we had TPs down here. I was gonna say 700 like on the dot, but we ended up closing 3 contracts just a little bit early because NQ had taken these same lows, and out of fear of a bullish SMT, I sold majority, left 1 runner, and then if we let market sort of play out now, there was no drawdown on this trade, by the way, guys. This right here, wait, right here was our 5 minute break of structure, which you can see right there. We ended up making a 5 minute fair value gap in this area right here, and coming back in right there, and then respecting it. But I would have wanted to see this inverse, this fair value gap get inverse like butter on the 1 minute before I would have added my final contract. And yeah, I mean, I guess it did happen eventually, but the spread, it would have pulled my, what's this called? My fill would have filled about here. So we just left it. It's only one more contract, so we weren't being picky, we weren't being greedy. And bang, straight to TPs. I can't even show you what market looked like when I sold, but we sold a bunch around here, 3 contracts out of 4. And then we sold some maybe around here. Sold the last one around here. Ended up being a $600 day, which absolutely beautiful. But we'll just let market play real quick. We came up, almost stopped out, and I almost stopped out break even after hitting these TPs and having. We closed all positions, by the way. This is theoretical. Almost stopped out break even, and then market decided it wanted my liquidity, my TPs, and further. Shorts have been nothing but easy this week, as you can see right here. This is NFP Friday as well, so pretty proud of myself for the precision of this. But let's just go back to the 5-minute candle closing out here. If we sold the same 4 contracts, isn't that crazy? It's almost a 10 to 1. But anyway, I'm just gonna quickly show you my executions. Bang, right here, so you can see exactly. We sold 1 on this minute, 2 on this, 3 on this minute, and 1 here. Oh yes, look, you can see on the candle wick where I sold it. And then this one I sold here, this one I sold up there. Okay. Bang. Anyway, guys, that's all I've got for you today. I know I just posted on YouTube saying that I'm not doing trade recaps for like 10 days, but tonight was perfect and I just had to. So thanks for watching, guys. I love yous.